Hello everyone, this is Genius Mathematics. In this video, we will see about another problem in Let's Solve series. Now this problem deals with area of a triangle or triangle in particular we'll see. So for a triangle whose sides are 50 meter, 78 meter and 112 meter. So all three sides of a triangle are given. What the question asking us is, then the length of the perpendicular from the opposite angle on this side 112 meters. So now what does this mean is, first let's draw this triangle. So 58 meter, 78 meter. So we will draw this a little bigger. Then we have 112 meters. So this is the triangle. Now then the length of the perpendicular from the opposite angle on the 112 meters. So let's just keep this as 58. So not 58. So this is 50, this is 78 and 112. So now from the opposite angle on the side 112 meter. So this is the opposite angle. So from this we need to find the length of the perpendicular. So from this we will draw a perpendicular line. So this will be perpendicular. So how we can solve this is, that is the question asks us to find this length here. So how we can solve this is, we can use the area of a triangle formula. So how we can use that is, we know we have many ways to find the area of a triangle. But in this, we will use Heron's formula and just the normal area of a triangle formula. That is half into base into height. So these two formulas we will use, because both gives the area of this triangle. So first Heron's formula is root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Here a, b, c are the sides of this triangle. S is the semi-perimeter. So we need to find the perimeter of this triangle first, which is 50 plus 78 plus 112. So if we add these two, we get 190. So we'll just add 0, 1, 12, 13, 14, yes, 240. We get 240. That is the perimeter. For semi-perimeter, we need to divide that by 2. So S is equal to 120. That is 240 divided by 2. So now we will substitute in this formula root of 120 times S minus A. So A is 50. We can have anything as A, B and C, any sides. So we will have A is 50. So 120 minus 50 is 70. S minus B. 120 minus 78 is 42. 120 minus 112 is 8. So this is what we have now. So we need to find the value of this. If we find the value of this, then we will have the area of the triangle. So we don't need to multiply and get the area. We can just, so we have 112 here. So we need to get the square term from this. So 120, we can write it as 4 times 30. So we will write as 4 times 30. We have 70. So we'll write 7 times 10. 42, we'll have 7 here. So we'll write it as 7 times 6. We have 8 here. We'll write as 4 times 2. So this is how we'll write. So if we write like this, then we can get the square terms. So root of, we have 2 4s. So we have 4 square. We have 1 7 and another 7. So we have 7 square. Then we have 30, or we can do like this. 30 times 2 is 60. 10 times 6 is 60. So we have 60 square. So from this we can just remove the square root and write as 4 times 7 times 60. So this is what we have here. So 7 times 60 is 420 times 4 gives 840 times 2 is 1680. So this is the area. So 1680 is the area of this triangle. So 1680 is equal to half into A into B. We know that formula, half into base into height. So from this triangle, the base is 112 and the height is what we have to find out. So yes. So now we can write 2, I can cancel as 56. Now 1680 divided by 56 equals x. So whatever the value of this is the value of x. So that value x is equal to 30. So the final answer we have is, so the length of the perpendicular from the opposite angle from the side 112 meter is 30 meter. And that is the final answer of this question. So what we have used is, we have used two ways to find the area of the same triangle. So that's what this question is interesting. Thank you.